Dart SDK developed by Google. It is using for web and mobile applications. Browser open search box lo Dart SDK download enter key press Dart SDK archive second link mouse left click Dart redirectory official page complete display Dart SDK archive mouse scroll down Dart related installation 3 channels display first one stable channel second one developed version beta channel third one dev channel first one stable channel latest version 3.7.2 operating system Windows display previous versions box right side down arrow click suitable version select here box right side down arrow click supporting OS Mac OS Linux Windows present Windows setup third one Windows select Windows lo latest version 3.7.2 OS Windows architecture 64-bit and release date March 12, 2025. .sdk SHA-256 mouse left click download section lo .sdk-windows -x64 releases .zip file downloading process start file size 206 MB wait and here downloading process completing downloading process completed next show in folder icon click downloads folder lo .sdk windows zip folder display extract this folder mouse right click 7-zip option select subpanel lo extract files select OK click extracted folder open .sdk select mouse right click first icon cut select left side this PC option select new volume C select open mouse right click paste select .-sdk folder open first one folder bin select open address bar mouse left click .sdk path display mouse right click second option copy select folder minimize browser close Windows search box lo edit the system environment variables enter first option select system properties window lo last button environment variables select second option system variables section lo path select second button edit click right side top first button new click mouse right click paste OK click and OK click Windows search box lo CMD type first option command prompt select shell window open type the text command dot space -v enter key press after successful setup process completed global options and allowable commands dot related command prompt shell window close VS Code IDE open dot extensions installation in VS Code extension click search box lo dot enter first extension dot select left side install blue color button click trust publisher and install first button click installing process start wait and here few seconds second extension dot syntax highlighting third extension select install blue color button click first button trust publisher and install select installing process completed third extension dot build value snipping select dot build value snippets install button click first button select next fourth one extension code runner enter search box second one code runner, select right side extension code runner, install, click. First button, click. Left side first icon, explorer, click. File menu, click. Open folder, select. Left side desktop, select. Mouse right click. New option, select. Sub panel first one, folder, select. Folder rename, enter. Delete key press, dot files. Enter key press. First button, select folder, click. First button, yes, I trust the authors, select. Page close. Newly created folder, right side first one icon, new file, click. File name, enter here. Chari dot extension dot dart. Enter key press. Simple code, enter here. Save this file. File menu, click. Save option, select. Menu bar, terminal, click. First option, new terminal, select. Right side top section lo run code icon, click. Terminal window lo output chari tech info display. Next, VS Code minimize.